now we are at Million Life, and this is the pink sign that we have. And me and my sister might be able to like get some coins and get on and catch some toys, but we have to first finish eating dinner before we start just starting to get the toys. Yeah. So we're just going to walk through and just show you a tour. Yeah, we're just gonna take a little look over here because the cinnamon roll. Oh, yeah. I think maybe everyone's lovely. Yeah, everyone's lovely. And this one's like colorful. This is not lovely. That's a piggy. That's a piggy. Where? How? Oh yeah, that is a piggy. Oh yeah. And Lilo and Stitch is the movie's coming. So it's the Lilo and Stitch one. We watched something and then it was it had a kind of a trailer. Yeah, the Lilo and Stitch movie is coming. Behind the scenes. We're at Million Life. After we finished our food, we can get some toys to try to get. I really like the Stitch or cinnamon roll. It might be hard to get, and we only get 10 or 11 coins. Me and my sister tried getting the My Melody and cinnamon roll. Then we tried Stitch, but the claws were too loose. We kept trying until we noticed there was no more coins. I thought in my brain, I want a few more coins, but I knew Mommy and Daddy would not let me. So I felt sad because sometimes I go to Million Life and can't get a single one. So we still had to go even though we didn't get a toy. But at least we tried. Me and my sister wish luck for each other. So maybe next time.
Just have fun. No pressure.
Before I said anything, it was my sister Fifi, but now it's me Yo-Yo explaining more to you. This afternoon, we went to Gels Park for a quick walk and play. After we went to eat some delicious fish at Box Hill Central. It's called the fish place, Tanyu. We were very lucky because we got ice cream while we were eating fish. Me and my sister were really eager to find out if we could go to Million Life after. Unluckily, we did get 11 tokens, but 0 toys. Me and my sister Fifi tried our hardest to get one, but the claw so loose and just let go of it for after 3 to 4 seconds. However, all that matters now is that we had fun and tried our best, and that's better than nothing. We also tried getting Cinnamoroll and My Melody once, but the claw is just too slippery. Maybe next time until. Right now we are testing which snail is if we are the same. And right now I'm a bit bigger than my mom's nail.
真的好大呀！
And I
大好多呀！你这个很大，你这个超大的，你这超大的，有这么好吃吗？看鱼。
At the same time, Jonah should ever say jinx fast, or not speak for 10. If you should double jinx, you should 20 seconds. If jinx under the roof, you should 30 seconds.
Yeah, okay.
You have to be so big. Let's grab this whole spoon. It's so slippery. Very sweet. You need some? Can I have this? Yeah, you can have that. This is ours, remember? It's not mine. This. Once you do it, I'll say you do this. Let's look, you have to do it. And it will also have the pepper. You see it like this. A small little pancake. Yeah. We started with this. And then we got the deal hand. And then we got the wave. And then now we got the ice cream cone.
What's that?
That's the ice cream cone. And then after we did triple sticks. And then we've got the jellyfish one too.
这是什么？这是你们平时在，这是你们在平时学校里玩的 game 吗？
In Buddies we do love the secret handshake. This game called concentration and avocado, which is egg, which is like hand game. Thank you for watching and see you next time.